Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to go over this 428 piece Quinn mechanic set. I personally think it's kind of one of the best deals out there, especially when you get it on sale. I'll kind of go into all the pricing details and stuff at the end of the video. But just wanted to go over just to show you, all the different pieces that you get. Show you there's not a lot of fluff in this set like there are in some of the other sets that you see. And especially if you get it on sale for a good price. I think, again, it's going to be one of the best deals you're going to get and a great starter set, especially for you new guys that are trying to get a set established. If you can get a set like this for, say, sub $300 when it's on sale, along with one of these 5-drawer carts that it's in for, say, sub $200 when it's on sale, that they always go on sale for, $500 gets you kind of a starter kit, and then add a few more things, and you basically be ready to start working on some cars or whatever else that you guys work on. So let's get right into it just to kind of show you what comes with it. And I'll kind of go over some things that both I like and that kind of bug me about this set that I didn't know before I bought this set. And that's one of the reasons I'm making this video is I kind of wish I would have known some of these things, because when you read about what comes with it, it's just a very dense, text-rich block of text, I guess. And so sometimes you miss exactly what it comes with and what it doesn't. But once it's in your hands and organizing it, you basically see what it comes with. So it's enough with the intro. Let's get directly into it. So it comes with 3 different ratchets, as you guys can see here: 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. They're all going to be your quick release. They're all going to be 72 tooth. Solid ratchets, chrome handle. They're not comfort grip or anything like that, at least the ones that are included. A bit chunky, but again, do the job that they're supposed to do. And then you're also going to get a couple of breaker bars. You have your 1/2 inch breaker bar that's 8 inches long, and then you have, I'm sorry, your 3/8 breaker bar that's 8 inches long, and your 1/2 inch breaker bar that's 15 inches long. Next up, let's go directly into the 1/4 inch socket. So if you guys kind of notice right here, I have the sockets separated. Everything on this side is going to be metric. Everything on this side is going to be SAE. And then the bits are going to be kind of mixed up between the two, and I'll show you which ones those are. And this is kind of where the first thing that bugs me about this set comes up, and I'll show you here in a second. So when it comes to this set overall, they give you a mix of 6-point and 12-point if you guys like to have 12-point in your set. But they don't include it for everything, and this is what I mean. So on the metric side, we have your 6-point shallows and 6-point deeps. And then on the SAE side, you have your 6-point shallows and 6-point deeps, but they also include 12-point shallows only on the SAE, but not the metric side. So the sizes that are basically included is right here on the 6-point metric. 1/4 inch is 4 millimeter up to 14. On the SAE side, it's going to be 5/32 all the way up to 9/16. On the 12 points, it's also going to be 5/32 all the way up to 9/16. On the deep sockets, they're all 6-point, 4 millimeters up to 14 on the SAE side, and 3/16 all the way up to 9/16 on the SAE side. So again, that's the first thing that bugs me, is the fact that they give you this row right here, but it's not duplicated on the metric side. I thought that was a mistake when I first got this set. And that's one of the reasons why I counted every piece in here. I thought pieces were missing, but it's just simply not included with it, and I wish that it was. Part of me wishes maybe it wasn't. This part wasn't included, just so that it's basically even on both sides. But enough about that. On the bit sockets that it comes with, especially for the 1/4 inch, I should say, on the hex millimeter, you got 2.5 up to 7 millimeter. On the hex SAE, you got 1/16 up to 7/32. On the Torx or star bits, you got T10 up to T30, and then they give you a handful of slotted bits as well: 1/4 inch, 1/8, 3/16, 3/8, 9/32, 7/32, and 9/32. So that's all of the 1/4 inch stuff that you guys are going to get with this set. Next up, let's talk about the 3/8. Oops, sorry about that. When it comes to the 3/8, at least with this one, and the 1/2 inch for that matter, when you get the 12 points on the shallows, are going to be included both on the metric and the standard side. But let's get into that. So on the 3/8 metric side, they're going to start at 6 millimeter and then go all the way up to 22 millimeter on the 6-point. On the SAE, which is going to be, where is it? Right over here. You're going to get much smaller selection and that is going to be 1/4 inch to 7/8. And then on the 12-point side, we have, sorry about that, guys. I'm just looking right here. On the 12-point side, we have 9 up to 21 millimeter. And on the 12-point SAE side, we have 5/16 all the way up to 7/8. They also give us a few of the 8-point sockets as well in SAE, which are going to be right over here. These guys right there. And that's going to be 3/8, 7/6. I'm sorry, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8. On the deep sockets, again, only going to be 6-point. There is no 12-point on the deep sockets. On the metric side, it's from 10 millimeter up to 19. And then on the SAE side, 3/8 all the way up to 7/8. When it comes to the bit sockets, there's only a few of the 3/8. So on the hex, you're going to get 7, 8, and 10 millimeter. On the SAE is a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 5/16. You do get Phillips 1, 2, and 3 as well. And then for the star or Torx bits, you're going to get T40, T45, and T50. Next up, we're going to look at the 1/2 inch. On the 1/2 inch, so again, you're going to get both 12-point and 6-point, and then 6-point only on the deeps. But basically on the metric side right here, it's a pretty wide range. You're going to go all the way from 10 millimeter up to 32. There are some definite skips in there, but most of the stuff that is skipped, you usually get on the 3/8 side anyways. On the SAE side, on the 6-point, it's going to go from 3/8 all the way up to 1.25 inches. On the 12-point metric shallows, you're going to get, let's see, where was that? Is going to get 10 all the way up to 19 millimeter. And then on the 12-point, let's see, where are we at here? On the 12-point SAE, you're going to go from 3/8 all the way up to 1.16 inches. On the deep sockets for the 1/2 inch, you're going to go from, where are we here? 13 up to 24. And then on the SAE side, you're going to go from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 inch. On the bit sockets, again, it's going to be even more limited. On the hex millimeters, you're going to get a 12 and a 14. On the hex SAE, you're going to get 7/16 and 9/16. And then on the star, it's going to be just your two big ones, the T60 and the T70. You're also going to get your spark plug sockets right here. They're all in the 3/8, and that's going to be 3/8, 5/8, 13/16, 1/2 inch, 5/8, and 13/16. Actually, that does not seem right. Hold on 1 second. All right, sorry about that, guys. I misread that. So on the spark plug sockets, you're going to get your 5/8, your 13/16, your another 5/8, and another 13/16. So you get a couple of each on this. So let me just kind of put these things back, and then you get a bunch of adapters. So as you guys can see right here, these are all the adapters that it comes with. So whether you're going from a 1/4 inch to 3/8 or vice versa, 1/2 inch to 3/8, vice versa, those are all included as well. You're going to get your universal joints for 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. A bunch of different, length extensions. As you guys can see here, we got your 1/4 inch and 3/8. You got some 1/2 inch over here, and you got some kind of mixed in all around in here as well. And then, so that is pretty much it when it comes to the sockets and ratchets, which is going to be a bulk of kind of what you're getting. Now, from there, you're going to get a few other things, and this is why I think this is such a good deal overall. And again, not a whole lot of fluff. And what I'm going to try to do is, just so I don't have to move, actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and move the camera a little bit just to make it a little bit easier to show you guys what is included. So let me kind of zoom in a little bit before I move this out, and you guys can kind of see what else is going to be included here. So next up, we're going to look at this drawer. So everything in this drawer was also included within the set. So you have this little baby bit driver right here, along with a bunch of different bits that you're going to see. I'm not going to go over every single bit, but you guys can basically see what's in there. One thing about this is that the set that I got was actually missing the 5mm hex bit. Everything else was in this set with the exception of the 5mm hex bit. So make sure if you guys do get this set that you're checking everything just to make sure that you get it. Harbor Freight was actually great, and I called them because I wanted them just to send me that one bit, because I'd already organized everything, as you kind of see it right here, and I didn't want to put, box it up and return it. They actually ended up just giving me a store credit instead, which I thought was sufficient. You're going to get some nut drivers right here. They're going to give you some ratcheting wrenches, which are very nice. The ones that are the 0 offset, and on the metric side, you're going to get 6 millimeters all the way up to 17 millimeters. And then on the SAE side, you're going to get 3/8 all the way up to 3/4. So it includes a couple of precision screwdrivers, as you guys can see right there. Actually, it does not include this guy. I should have taken this thing out. That was something I added later. But it does include this bit driver right here, and then all of these different just regular standard Phillips and slotted screwdrivers right there. So again, a lot of pieces that you're kind of getting for the price. And then this is the last drawer of things that it basically comes with. And then I'll show you guys a couple of things that I supplemented this with. But on top of the ratcheting wrenches that you guys saw up there, you're going to get an adjustable wrench. You're going to get 2 sets of metric and 2 sets of SAE Allen keys right back there. You're going to get some just regular combination wrenches. They're going to go from 1/4 inch all the way up to 15/16 on the SAE side. And then on the metric side, they are going to start at 5.5 millimeters and then go all the way up to 22 millimeters. Now, what I ended up doing with this particular cart is I did buy quite a few different of the Quinn pliers and things like that, just to kind of add it into this cart, just to make it a little bit more complete for what I was planning on doing. But again, overall, I think this thing is a great set for what you're paying for. Let me kind of set this thing back up so you guys can see what we were looking at before. But again, 428 pieces. I mean, the only real fluff that you can even kind of think of would be the Allen keys, which are definitely useful to have anyways, but they do come with both short and long form factors of the Allen keys, so maybe that would be considered fluff. And it does come with, a decent amount of bits, but I'll be honest with you, all the bits are pretty useful, and there's not a lot of duplicates at all within these bits. So again, just be careful if you do get this. As you guys can see, there's a hole right there. That was the 5 millimeter. So like I kind of mentioned at the beginning of the video, I want to talk about pricing and stuff a little bit. So this thing, like I said, right now sells for right around 420, 430 bucks as its normal price, which is not a horrible deal for that price. But if you guys can get it on sale, especially when they're running the 40% off sales. Again, I got this thing back when it was 40% off all socket sets, and this one happened to be included within that set, or that sale, I should say. And that's when I kind of jumped on it. It was 400 bucks. I got the 40% off. So what would that be? 160. So it was like 240 bucks or so. And then that 5 millimeter, like I said, was missing from there. I actually just called the parts department because I just wanted to order the part because, something like that's like $1 or $2. But for some reason, they don't stock that particular 5 millimeter hex, which I thought was odd. But the customer service rep offered me, without me asking, $25 store credit. And I said, you know what? For a 5 millimeter that I'll probably barely ever use and I have duplicates in other sets, I'll take the 25 bucks. So I got the set for about $215. Now, for you guys to get that deal is probably going to be a little bit more difficult, but getting this for around, say, $250 to $300, I think is something that is very doable when they are having their set. So again, I think for what you're paying and what you're getting, it's hard to beat this thing. I have, if you guys have seen any of my other videos, and maybe I'll leave some links to a couple of them at the end of this, but I have a few other mechanic sets. I have the gear wrench set, which I really like, a couple of Craftsman sets, a Crescent set, etc. And a lot of those sets were the ones that are about $100 or so, but they come with way less pieces and way more fluff, with the exception of the gear wrench, but that one is about 200 bucks. But again, way less pieces, but a little bit better quality in my opinion. But tell me what do you guys think? Would you guys pick up this set, especially as a starter set? When I got this set, I didn't get it necessarily for me. This will likely end up going to my son, as with everything in this cart right here. I just kind of wanted to set him up for everything he might need for something that's not going to be super expensive, but still decent quality tools to start with. So again, tell me, what do you guys think of that? Would this be if you were about to turn of age, would you want something like this? or would you prefer getting something different? So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.